Hi, this is Carl Lucas of the Trevi Group, and I head up the recruiting team for sales engineers, network engineers, architects, and IT leadership. We help companies hire top talent in the networking, security, data center, and cloud arenas. And one of our clients is a highly respected and fast-growing top-tier IT solution provider. They're a top Cisco partner that's experiencing growth, and they're looking to hire a network engineer anywhere in the region between Oshkosh and the Green Bay, Wisconsin area. What they're looking for is an individual with a good combination of design and delivery experience in enterprise networking solutions. LAN, WAN, route switch, wireless, next-gen firewalls. There's a lot of opportunity for career growth in this role, given the focus on the latest technologies from Cisco and Palo Alto, along with wireless, Azure networking, and automation. The company has an amazing company culture and has been repeatedly voted one of the best tech firms to work for in the Midwest region. So this is a great opportunity to join this highly sought after team and take your career and compensation to the next level. So if you or somebody you know has this type of background, or you'd like more information, please send your resume or that referral to carl@thetrevigroup.com, and I appreciate your consideration. And don't forget to click here to like and here to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks.